Hey there, this is Luke Callahan with Oregon Real Estate, and we are checking out Acadia Pointe, built by Lennar Homes here in Bend, Oregon. And this is the whole development that we're looking at, and specifically we're heading into the Magnolia right here, so let's check it out. And in the meantime, keep an eye on what you like about it. Let me know in the comments below, and as always, make sure you call or text anytime if you want to see a property. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, what'd you think of the Magnolia? For me, this is probably one of my favorite layouts by Lennar. What I really like is when you come in through the garage, comes right into the kitchen, so you have like a great flow for your groceries. And then the upstairs, you have this wonderful distinction between the owner's suite and the rest of the bedrooms, and you have the loft upstairs, so you get that dual living room. And then the owner's suite is just, I love it because the door, you enter into the owner's suite, and then it's not just the room. Once you enter into the owner's suite, it's the room, it's the closet, it's the bathroom, but you're not going through individual doors. It's like, it's almost its own wing. It is its own wing. And I love that design, and I don't see that very often, and I'd love to see that happen more. Let me know what you think of this place in the comments below. As always, call or text if you want to see any place, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, this has been Luke Callahan with Oregon Real Estate. Okay, take care.